right now we're at Mark, holding a piece of glass. And as you can see, the little bit of droplets that make it here, they evaporate as soon as they hit the glass. So you can see they're kind of accumulating a little bit, but then they evaporate very quickly. So now I'll show you that basically there's no water. Otherwise I'd have like a trail of water. Here we're showing a 200 psi system here. You can see we are getting some water buildup on this one on the paper. I don't know how that shows up, but we just started running this about 30 seconds ago. And as you can see here already, we have lots of water buildup. So you can clearly see that unlike the other one, we are getting major condensation to where the point where it's creating some serious see. It's very wet. You can see all the water. It is indeed wet. So, our paper, as you can see, definitely getting soaked.